everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving for competitive exams. In today's lecture, we'll continue with jumbling and we'll discuss some examples. Now, in the previous class, we talked about that there are 5 types of questions that you can get from jumbling. Number 1 was word jumbling. Number 2 was number jumbling. The third type was paragraph jumbling. The fourth type was logical sequence jumbling. And the fifth type was alphabetical order jumbling. So in today's lecture, we'll solve some examples to give us a better clarity of concept when it comes to jumbling. This is example 1. So in this question, the word figures is given to us, right? And then certain instructions are given to us, and then we have to find out the answer. So let us read the question. If all the letters in the word figures are arranged in alphabetical order, so I told you alphabetical order means increasing order, right? Or it is also known as dictionary order from left to right. So left to right, in this way, in such a way that vowels are arranged first. So how many vowels are there? 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. These are your vowels. The remaining are consonants. So this is a concept you should know: vowels and consonant, right? And then they are followed by consonants. Then how many letters are there between U and R after the arrangement? So let us do this question. Basically, I'm going to give them forward ranks. So if you remember the shortcut to remember forward ranks, I told you, AJOTI. I've repeated this numerous times. This is a shortcut by which you can remember forward ranks. So this is given to us. If I give them forward ranks, F will be 6, I will be 9, G will be 7, U will be 21, R will be 18, E will be 5 and S will be 19. Correct? Now, out of these, how many are vowels? I, E and U. These are vowels. So I have to arrange vowels first and then I have to arrange the consonants. So if I arrange vowels in alphabetical order, it will be E, I and then U. Correct? Then I have to arrange consonants. So if I arrange consonants, it will be F, G, R and then S. Correct? So first I arranged the vowels in alphabetical order. Then I arranged the consonants in alphabetical order. This was asked in the question. Now, so after arrangement, the word I got is this one. This is the word that I got after arrangement. Now, we have to find out how many letters are there between U and R after the arrangement. So between U and between R, there are only 2 words, 2 alphabets, 2 letters, okay? So our answer will be option number 1, 2. So this will be after rearrangement, and between U and R, I've got 2 letters. Now, example number 2. If all the letters of each given words are arranged in alphabetical order within the words. So, alphabetically we have to arrange in within the words. Then in how many words third and fifth letter remains on the same position? Okay, now let us see. I'm going to give them forward ranks just for easy purpose. Okay, 13, 2, 5, 11, 20, Y is 25 and this is 4. Then G is 7, P is 16, N is how much? N is 14, A is 1, Q is 17, U is 21, and S is 19. Okay, X is 24, this is 3, this is 10, R is 18, H is 8, and O is 15. So I just gave them forward ranks for the convenience of you, for your convenience. And now we have to arrange them in alphabetical orders within the word. So alphabetical order. First B, then E, then D, then E. So this 4, then 5, then 11, that is K, then M, then T, and then Y. So this will be the arrangement. Similarly, for this I'll get A, then I'll get G, then I'll get N, then P, then Q, A, G, N, P, Q, S, and U. Okay, so this is what I'll get after rearranging this in alphabetical orders. Similarly, for this I'll get C, then H, then J, then O, then R, and then I'll get X. So after rearranging, I'll get CHJORX. We have arranged them in alphabetical orders. Then we have to find out in which of the following words the third and fifth remains on the same position. So over here, the third is E and fifth is T. Over here, the third is E and fifth is M. So not in this one. Now, third is N and fifth is Q. Third is N and fifth is Q. So over here, it remains in the same position. Now let us move forward. Third is J and then H. Over here we have J and R, so not in this one. So only in 2 it remains in the same position. So only 2 is in option number 4. So our correct answer will be option number 4, only 2. Okay. Example number 3. If vowels are arranged in alphabetical order, increasing order from left to right. Okay, so in this word, we have to arrange first the vowels. Okay, and then consonants in increasing order from left to right again. Okay, and then we have to find the answer. This is the question. We'll come to this later. Now, the word given to us is PUTALNGSIDE. Put alongside. Okay, this is the word given to us. First, we have to arrange the vowels. So vowels is U, A, O, I, and E. These are the vowels. So if I arrange the vowels, it will be E, I, O, and U. These will be the vowels. Then we have to arrange the consonants. So the remaining are the consonants. Let me put forward ranks for the consonants for your convenience. P is what? P is 16, T is 20. Similarly, L is 12, N is 14, G is 7, S is 19, D is 4. So, if I arrange them in increasing alphabet order, it will be D, then G, then L, and then N, then P, then S, and then T. P, S, T. So after rearrangement, putting vowels first and then consonant, this is what we'll get. Now, we have to find out which letter is fifth from the left side in the new word. So left side will be this side, correct? This is your right and this is your left. So from left, we have to find the fifth one. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So fifth from left will be U, which is option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now this is example number 4. In this, we have the words are arranged according to English dictionary. So English dictionary means in alphabetical order, or it can also mean in increasing order, correct? So we have to arrange these from left to right in this direction, correct? Then which of the following word is second from the left hand? So basically we have to arrange all these letters in dictionary order. So let me give forward ranks to the first letters. First letters, T will be 20, M will be 13, R is 18, V is 22, W is 23, and M will be 13. So again 13, 13 two times. Then we'll move on to the second letter. This I told you previously, right? So second letter 1, and over here we have 5. So if I look at this, 13 1 will go first. So if I have to arrange them from left to right, that means it will be mat, then men, then it will be rat, then toy, then wat, and then wit. Correct? This will be the order. Now we have to find out which word is second from the left hand. So left hand is this. Correct? Second from left hand. This is first, this is second. So our answer will be MEN, which is option number 3. So option number 3, men, will be your correct answer. Now, example 5. Same letters are given to us. Okay. We have to arrange them in English alphabetical series from left to right, and then we have to find out how many meaningful words are formed. So within the same word, we have to arrange them in alphabetical series. That means increasing order. So over here, it will be OTY. Okay. Here if I arrange, it will be AMT. Here it will be ART. Here it will be ATV. Here it will be ITW. And here it will be E, M and N. So out of all these words, OT, AMT, ART, ATV, ITW, EMN, only art is a meaningful word. We had to find a meaningful word. So only art is a meaningful word. Hence our option 1, that is 1, will be the correct answer. Okay. So only one meaningful word, which is art, is formed. Now, if all the letters in these words are arranged according to the English alphabet order, the position of how many letters will remain unchanged after the rearrangement. So original is this. This is the original word. Now we have to arrange them in English alphabetical order. So according to English alphabetical order, let me give them forward ranks for your convenience. So H will be ranked at 8. This will be 1. Similarly, N will be ranked at 14. D is 4. I is 9. This is 5. This is 19. And T is 20. So if I have to arrange them in alphabetical order, it will be A, then D, then E, then H, then I, then N, then S, and then T. So if I look at these two words, we have to find out how many letters are unchanged, the position of which have not changed. So over here, the position of I has not changed, the position of S has not changed, and similarly the position of T has not changed. So position of 3 letters have not changed. So our answer will be option number 1, 3. Okay. Here you can see that for I, for S and T, the position have not changed. Now example 7. If the letters in the word brownie are rearranged as they appear in the English alphabetical series from left to right, then the position of how many letters will remain unchanged? So similar thing. So brownie, now I'll give them forward ranks. This is 2, R is 18, O is 15, W is 23, N is 14, I is 9 and E is 5. So if I have to arrange them in alphabetical order, that means 2, then 5, then 9, then 14, 15, 18 and 23, which is B, then E, then I, then N, then O, then R, and then W, right? And we have to find out the position of how many letters are not changed. So if you look at this, I can see that position of B has not changed and the rest of it has changed. So only for B, that is option number 2, 1, it has remained unchanged. So answer will be, over here you can see, it will be option number 2, which is 1. Now, example 8. If the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in dictionary, so ascending order from left to right, which of the following would be fourth from the left? So again, let us look at the first alphabets, these ones. So here this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 15, this will be 18 and S is 19. So clearly if I arrange them from left to right, it will be and, then but, then 1, then rat, and then it will be saw. This will be the order. We have to find out which will be the fourth from the left. So left means we'll start from here like this. Fourth will be 1, 2, 3 and fourth. At fourth position we have rat. So our answer will be option number 1, rat. Clear? Let us move on to the next question. Now, example number 9. This deals with digit. If the digits in this number are arranged in ascending order from left to right. So order is given to us left to right. Which will be the sum of the digits? So we'll come to the question later. First, let us arrange them in ascending order. So if I arrange them in ascending order, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This will be in ascending order. This is ascending order. Correct? Now we have to find out the sum of the fourth from the right. So right is this and left is this. Fourth from the right, this is 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth from right is 6. And third from left. So left, third, 1, 2, 3. This is third from left in the new arrangement. So we have to find the sum of 4 and 6, which is 10. So our answer will be option number 1, 10. Okay, clear? Now, example 10. If all the digits in each of the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number. So, descending order within the number. Okay, so let's do that. Descending order within the number, this will be 6 to 1. This will be 985. This will be 743. This will be 864. And this will be 972. Okay. We have to find out which of the following will form the highest number in the new arrangement. So the highest number will be this. Out of all these 5, the highest number will be 985. 985 is formed by 589. So the answer will be option number 2, 589. Clear? Let me repeat. So first we had to arrange them in descending order within the number. So within the number I arranged them in descending order. So 612 became 621. Similarly 589 became 985. Then we had to find out which will be the highest number if after the rearrangement. So after the rearrangement the highest number was 985 and it was formed using the number 589, which is option number 2. So option number 2 is your correct answer. Now, example 11. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right, so we have to arrange them ascending order from left to right, then which of the following will be sum of all the 3 digits of the number which is second from the right of the new number? Okay, fine. So first we have to arrange them in ascending order from left to right. So ascending order from left to right will be 297, then 468, then 589, then 612 and then 743. This much is clear. Now let us look at the question. Which of the following will be the sum of all 3 digits of the number which is second from the right? second from the right. So second from the right is this one, first and second. 6, 1, 2. Correct? We have to find the sum of all three digits of this number. So 6 plus 1 plus 2 will give me 9. So our answer will be option number 2, 9. Clear? So first we arranged them in ascending order, then we found out which will be the second from right, and then we summed that number, summed all the digits in that number. Now, example 12. The positions of how many digits in the number will remain unchanged after the digits within the number are rearranged in the descending order from left to right. So from here to here, we have to arrange them in descending order. Okay, so the original number is what? 83791 2. Now let us arrange it in descending order. So if I arrange it in descending order, it will be what? 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. This is descending order. 9 is greater. This is correct. So this is the descending order. We are supposed to know how many letters remain unchanged. So when I look at this position, I can see that only 7 is the number which is unchanged. So our answer will be option number 2, which is 1. Only 7. Only 7 is the number which has remained unchanged. Okay. Now let us look at this example 13. How many digits in the number will remain unchanged after digits are rearranged in ascending order from left to right within the number? So first we have to arrange them in ascending order from left to right. So if I arrange them in ascending order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. We have to find out how many digits will remain unchanged. So if I look at this, I can see that only 2 is a digit which has remained unchanged. Everything else has changed. So our answer will be option number 2, 1. Okay. Now, example number 14. If in each of the words all the alphabets are arranged in alphabetical order within the word, how many words will not begin with a vowel? So first we have to arrange them in alphabetical order within the word. So the words given to us are wit, bar, earn, elf and top. So wit, bar, earn, elf and top. So first we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So it will be I, T, W. Similarly, A, B, R. Over here it will be N, R, U. Here it will be E, F, L. Here it will be O, P, T. We have to find out how many words will not begin with a vowel. So this and this all begins with a vowel. O, E, A and I. These are all vowels. It begins with a vowel. So only the word NRU is a word that does not begin with a vowel. So our answer will be option number 2, 1. Clear? Now, example number 15. If the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in the dictionary from left to right, which of the following would be the fourth from left? So first we have to arrange them in dictionary order, and then we have to find out which of the following will be fourth from left. So dictionary order from left to right. If I write forward ranks, B is 2, E is 5, U is how much? U is 21, W is 23 and T is 20. So if I write them in dictionary order, it will be bar, then elf, then top, then earn, and then wit. Correct? Then we have to find out which of the following will be fourth from the left. So this is left, fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth. So earn will be fourth from the left. So our answer will be option number 3, earn. Okay? Now, arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order. So we have to arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order. Now, I can see that Asia is a continent. Similarly, Jaipur is a city. Rajasthan is a state. India is a country. And North India is a further division in a country. So it is a part of country. I can write. Correct? So if the logical sequence can be either in the ascending or descending. So it could be either moving from a bigger thing to a smaller thing. So 5, 2, 4, then 1 and 3. It could be either this, but none of the options starts from 5. This is the logic. So we move in opposite direction. We go from the smaller to a bigger. So smaller will be Jaipur. It belongs in Rajasthan. Then we'll have North India. Then we'll have India. And then we'll have Asia. So 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 is in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now, example 17. We have to arrange the following words in order which they appear in English dictionary. So as I told you, when we talk about English dictionary, first words are the same. R, 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 R. Let's move on to the second word. I. Third word. G, 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 G and G. We cannot find out until here. Fourth word, H, I, H, O, H. So H is at which position? It is 8th position. I is at 9th position. Then 8, then O is 15 and then H is 8. So I know that first 3 will be either 1, 3 or 5. Correct? Now let us move on 1 forward. T, T, T. Same. Then let us move on 1 forward. Sixth letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth letter. Over here we have L. L is how much? L is which position? 12. Then E is position 5. Then S is position how much? 19. So this will come first. So the first word will be righteous. Righteous. Then the next word will be this one. Rightly. Then the next word will be this one, which is rights. Then we'll move on to these ones. So over here, this will come first. That is rigidly. And this rigor will come last. So our sequence will be 3, 1, 5, 2, 4. 3, 1, 5, 2, 4 is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. So what we did first, we found out till third, till 3, we had no difference. Then based on fourth, we found out that okay, first, third and fifth will come first and then 2 and 4 will come. Then amongst these, until 5 letters, there was no change. It had right, this also had right and this also had right. So until 5 letters, there was no change, and then we moved on to the 6th letter to find out the order. So final order is 3, 1, 5, 2, 4, which is option number 1. So option number 1 is your correct answer. Now example 18, similar thing. ISO is, these 3 things are common in each word. Correct? So let us move on to the next letter. M is positioned at 13. L is positioned at 12. T is 20. This is 12. 12. N is positioned at 14. So now I know that for if I have 6, right? First, second and third will be between isoline, isolate and isologues. Then we'll have at 4th position. So 1, 2, 3 we know. At 4th, 5th and 6th we have to find out. 4th position we'll have what? We'll have isomer, which is 1 isomer. Okay. Then we'll have 6 isonomy. And then we'll have 3 isotope. This we know. We have to find out which will come in third in the sequence. So 1, 2 and 3 we have to find out. Now, over here the next letter is A. So L is 12, this is 1. O is 15 and I is what? I is 9. Correct? So I'll get isolate first. Then I'll get isolene. And lastly, then I'll get isologs. So my correct order, dictionary order will be 425163. So at third position, third in the sequence will be isologs, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Then similarly, example 9. Gem is same in everything. Then we move on to the next. L is 12. I is 9. M is 13. So I know at fourth position I'll have gem-like, and at fifth position I'll have gemmier. This is given to me. Correct? This is how much I know. Then let us look at this one. N is positioned at 14. N is positioned at 14, 14. Same. Let's move on to the next one. A is 1. A is 1 and over here I is 9. So I know at third position I'll get Gemini. Now I have to find between second and fourth. Move on to the next letter. L is positioned at 12. Similarly, T is positioned at 20. So my first will be fourth, which is geminal, and then I'll get second, which is geminate. So my correct sequence is 42513, which is option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct sequence. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.